Welcome to the Sales Wave AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a long-form page in Sales Wave AI. Choose your desired sales page option from list. Now add all required details like products, product name, product price, discounted price if any, product description, target audience, buy button type, money back guarantee, your name, logo, box image. Click on Save and your page will be added. You can view your page in the Manage Page section. Here you can manage your page. You must design your page. Add sales page data on your page. You can also add SEO details on your page. You can also update your page if you want. Thanks for watching the video.